Thank you for giving me opportunity to be a part of this Global Reach 2021. Myself, Venugopal Reddy, third year PhD scholar from University of Agricultural Sciences, Bangalore. My presentation topic is identification of downy mildew resistance source in cucumber. We all know the cucumber is one of the important cucurbitaceous vegetable crop, which is extensively grown in the tropical and subtropical parts of the world. In this, the disease is one of the limiting factor to get the higher yields and productivity, among which the downy mildew is one of the most devastating and widespread disease of cucurbitaceous, which is caused by Pseudoperonospora cubensis. In the severe conditions, it leads to cause yield loss up to the 96%. In order to control this disease, we go for selecting the chemical sprays. So indiscriminate use of chemical fungicides leads to cause pathogen tolerance, health hazards, and also it increases the cost of production. So the development of genetic resistance is the better alternative to control these problems or these hazards. In this context, we have selected this topic for the developing identification of this resistance source from the cucumber genotypes. In order to selection, we have to go for identification of the sources. The identification of sources of resistance is a prerequisite for any disease resistance breeding program. In this way, we have selected 15 diverse parents, and by using those 15 parents, we have developed 105 F1 crosses through off-diallel mating design. All the parents we have crossed and evaluated in the 2 subsequent Kharif seasons for the yield and quality parameters, and separate crop has been developed to check screening the genotypes for the downy mildew disease resistance in the Rabi season. And after 1 month of the crop standing, we have started the scoring for the disease resistance. This is the 0 to 9 scale we have used for the scoring this disease, and continuously we have within this 1 week interval, we have taken the 7 weeks of the recorded the scoring, and that scoring has been converted into the PDA. It means percent disease index, and also later we can from that data we drawn the area under disease progress curve. Coming to this results we have shown, as we evaluated for the yield and yield attributing parameters, among the 15 parents, parent 3 exhibited a very good yield for the fruit yield per plant and also good quality parameters. This is the parent which has prominent in the yield and quality parameters. This is maybe due to the high GCA value. It means general combining ability, and also it gives the better yield compared to the other parents. Then come to the cross, among the crosses, the F1 hybrid, that is parent P1 into P3 given the best results for the yield and yield quality parameters. Here we can see the parent 1 and parent 3. We have crossed and with the F1 which is given the higher yields compared to the parents. In this context, this heterosis has been drawn from this one. It is exhibited highest heterosis over the mid parent about 56%, over better parent about 47%, and over standard check it is about 40% of the yield over the standard check. This is maybe due to high specific combining ability and also non-additive into non-additive gene action between the parentage. And while screening for the disease resistance, all the genotypes has been grouped based on the disease reaction to the by the all the genotypes. In this grouping has been made for the 121 genotypes based on the PDA for the downy mildew disease resistance under the open field condition. Out of which only 9 genotypes here, only 9 genotypes has been grouped into the group as a resistant. That is when convert into the percentage, it is 7.44% out of the 100%, and only 4 genotypes has been fall into group as a moderately resistant, and rest of all genotypes are falls into the susceptible and highly susceptible genotypes. And here we have one more table that is we have selected from the resistant group. We have selected 2 least percent disease index exhibited by the both parents and crosses. out of which the two parents we have exhibited less disease incidence, that is parent 10, that is exhibited only 10.42% of disease incidence, and the parent 4 exhibited 14.72%. Likewise, in the F1 hybrids also there is a two parents, what is P5 into P10. This P5 into P10, the P10 also resistant, and here exhibit in the crosses also P5 into P10 is shown the resistant. In that one, we can conclude that there may be a dominant allelic gene action for the resistance. Here, AUDPC, it means area under disease progress curve has been drawn based on the PDA for the top two least PDA exhibited parents and crosses against to the check. It defeats that AUDPC, it increases as increase in the plant age and reproductive stage. It means here you can see the when the scoring has started around 45 days, the reproductive stage has been started in the crops. Likewise, it is very highly vulnerable for the downy mildew disease in the susceptible lines. When it comes to the conclusion, the parent P3 and the crosses P1 into P3 are the best performed for the yield and yield attributing characters. We can recommend for that for the yield purposes. And among the parents and crosses, P10, parent 10 and the parent 4 was found to be resistant against the downy mildew in the cucumber. These are the parents we can go for the good material for the further crop improvement program. And when it comes to the crosses combination, the P5 into P10 and the P2 into P4 found resistant against the downy mildew for the cucumber, which we can further we can go for the F2 or F3 generations. After the stabilization, we can go for the selection of the material we can in the for the subsequent generations. Thank you.